Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on simple harmonic motion. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer D, well done. Okay, which graph best shows how the kinetic energy of a simple pendulum varies with displacement from its equilibrium position? Let's draw a quick diagram of a pendulum. There it is in its equilibrium position, and it's going to displace to the right when it swings to the right. That's a displacement with a positive S, we could call it. It'll swing back to the equilibrium point, and then it will swing to the left, and it'll have a negative displacement. Okay, so in a simple harmonic system, the total energy of the system remains the same. In a pendulum's case, that energy, the form of that energy changes between having a maximum gravitational potential when it's up high and a maximum kinetic energy when it's moving at its fastest, which is at this equilibrium position. So the kinetic energy goes from a maximum at the equilibrium to zero, because it actually is stationary at its maximum displacement. So, which graph shows maximum kinetic energy at the midpoint? These two graphs do, but the shape of the graph is that sort of half a sine curve, so, or quarter of a sine curve even. So, the answer is D. I hope this was useful. If it was, subscribe, like and share, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.